Welcome back. Now we observe in any sum rational or irrational, rational that is terminating or non-terminating decimal. How it finding using the division for division after their remainder is 0, it is terminating, otherwise not terminating. That is very hard process, but simple method is there. Let x equal to p by q. Let x be a rational number. What is the rational number form? P by q, where p comma q belongs to z. P comma q belongs to z, and q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0, and their denominator q is in the form of 2 power n or 2 power n into 5 power m or 5 power m. In the denominator value in the form of 2 power n or 2 power n into 5 power m or 5 power m. Is there any form in q denominator value? X is a terminating decimal. This is terminating. Non-terminating and recurring decimal, how it is there? X is equal to p by q. X equal to p by q, where p comma q belongs to z, and q not equal to 0. Denominator q not in the form of, and we observe denominator not in the form of 2 power n or 2 power n into 5 power m or 5 power m. We observe here denominator q in the form of 2 power n or 2 power n into 5 power m or 5 power m. Is there any form? It is a terminating. We observe x is a terminating decimal. Here x is equal to p by q. X is a rational number where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Denominator q in the not in the form of 2 power n or 2 power n into 5 power m or 5 power m. X is a non-terminating recurring decimal. We observe this is a terminating decimal, this is non-terminating decimal. Only we observe denominator only, and denominator value in the form of 2 power n or 2 power n into 5 power m or 5 power m. There any form is there, that is a terminating decimal. Denominator not in the form of 2 power n or 2 power m into 5 power m or 5 power m. Not in the form of these forms, it is a non-terminating and recurring decimal. Now exercise 1.3 second sum we observe exercise 1.3 first sum. Without performing division, State which are the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or non-terminating repeating decimal form. Which one? Okay, first one, see. First one, 13 by 3125. 3125. 3125. 3125. 3125. We observe their value is denominator only important. There, this is the form of P by Q. Q is the denominator. What is their denominator? 3125. Denominator. This is the denominator. Q is equal to 325. We observe this 3125. 3125. 5 table. Write in prime factors. 5 6 are 30, 2s are 5s are. Again 5. 5 125s are. 5 25s are. 5 5s are. We observe this is the 1 2 3 4 5. This is form 5 power 5. So this is 5 power 5. Therefore Q is equal to 5 power m form. Therefore 13 by 3125 is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. We observe their Q only important. This is the form of P by Q. Q only take denominator. Denominator is 3125. 3125 write as prime factors. Prime factors is 5 power 5 only. 5 power 5 means this is the form of 5 power m. 5 power m. So 5 power m. Q x is equal to P by Q is a rational number. Q in the form of 2 power n or 2 power n into 5 power m or 5 power m form is there. It is a terminating. So Q in the form of Q is equal to 5 power m form. So 13 by 3125 is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Next one, 12 by next one, see once second sum. 11 by 12 and 11 by 12. You take this is P by Q, denominator Q. Denominator Q 12. 12 write as 2 6 are 2 3s are. So this is 2 square into 3. This is 2 square into 3. We observe there 3 is there. This is not in the form of therefore Q not in the form of 2 power n or 2 power n into 5 power m or 5 power m. So 11 by 12 is a non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ చూద్దామండి. మనం సమ్స్ మొత్తం కూడా చేయకుండా ఏంటంటే ఓన్లీ డినామినేటర్ మాత్రమే తీసుకొని ఆ డినామినేటర్ వాల్యూ అనేటువంటిది మనకి 2 power n ఆర్ 2 power n ఇంటూ 5 power m ఆర్ 5 power m ఫార్ములాలో ఉన్నట్లయితే అది టెర్మినేటింగ్, ఆర్ అలాగ లేకపోతే అది నాన్ టెర్మినేటింగ్ అండి. నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ వి అబ్జర్వ్ 64/455. 64/455. 64/455. 64/455. This is form of this is third one, P by Q. So Q is equal to 455. This is denominator and 455 write as 5 table, 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are. Next 7 13s are 13 7s are 19. This is right 5 into 7 into 13. We observe 5 into 7 into 13. What is the terminating form? 2 power n or 2 power n into 5 power m or 5 power m. But there 7 and 13 also is there. These two are prime numbers. So this is the non-terminating and recurring decimal. Therefore Q is not in the form of, in the form, Q is not in the form of 2 power n or 2 power n 5 power m or 5 power m, and therefore 64/455 is non-terminating repeating decimal, non-terminating repeating decimal, non-terminating and repeating decimal, non-terminating and repeating decimal. Next sum we observe 15/1600. 15/1600. 15/1600. 15/1600. 15/1600. This is P by Q. Denominator Q is 1600 and 1600. 1600. So this one write as prime factors 2 800s are 2 400s are 2 200s are 2 100s are 2 50s are 2 25s are 5 5. We observe 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 power 6 into 5 square. Therefore Q is in the form of 2 power m 5 power n and 2 power m into 5 power or 2 power n into 5 power m. Therefore 15/1600 is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. ఇక్కడ మనం చూసినట్లయితే 10 సమ్స్ వరకు ఉన్నాయి. మనం అన్ని చేయాలంటే కుదరదు కదా, కాబట్టి మిగిలిన సమ్స్ మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. మీకు రానట్లయితే మా కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో తెలియజేసినట్లయితే మేము దానికి సొల్యూషన్స్ అనేవి చెప్తాము. తప్పనిసరిగా మా వీడియో చూసినటువంటి వారు లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్